Welcome back to the den of DBZ All-Star. I'm DBZ All-Star, or Steve if you prefer. And I've got another Entertainment Earth box to unbox for you. Do not remember what this could possibly be, so let's get it open, find out what is in it. Alright, got the box cut open with my handy dandy box cutter. Open the box. Looks like usual packing and preparation done by Entertainment Earth. Have some packing paper. Oh, I do not even remember ordering. We have the Funko Pop Animation 1279 Dragon Ball Super Entertainment Earth exclusive glow-in-the-dark Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black, complete with Kai Scythe. Let's check out the condition of the box, because Entertainment Earth, for those who have not ordered, guarantee mint product or your money or replacement back. So front's okay, side is okay, back is okay. That's the wave that this is a part of. Other side is okay. The top of the box is okay. And the bottom of the box is okay. So taking a closer look at the mold. Not too shabby. Not really collecting the Dragon Ball line anymore, but this was up for pre-order as an exclusive, and back in late February, as I mentioned in previous Funko unboxings for Entertainment Earth, Entertainment Earth was running this special where you could even include pre-orders in their free shipping program, so I figured what the heck. Haven't done a major Funko order in a while. Let's put some random ones on here. Let's have some fun. And this is the result. Most of the Entertainment Earth unboxing videos are the result of that sale. Overall, pretty nice mold, pretty nice pop. Thank you, Entertainment Earth, for shipping this through your usual process and shipping me a minty pop. Thank you all for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, be well.